Hey guys, so this is day 3. I mean day 4. So today we're going to the ocean park. So see you guys there. Yeah, there will be a B-roll throughout this way, but see you guys there. Look at that view, guys. That is nice, and that's nice. Ooh, great view. Before I forgot, B-roll. So now we're going to ride a cable car. Yep, that's all. So guys, we are at the polar adventure now. It is super duper cold, guys. I don't know why. Yep, look at it. It is super duper cold in here, guys. Super duper. I don't know where it's so much air conditioner here. It's not ice, but it's so much air conditioner. And B-roll, of course. Hey guys, so this is the last day we are at Hong Kong City, and after this we go to Noah's Ark, and after that we'll go to Macau by ferry. So see you guys there.
Feeling the sun, party done, shadows walking home. Walking with a game on. You are my kind, classic mind, and you look so fine. Loving the cold, smoke and roll, see your fingers shake. And getting through your heartbreak, some kind of free, same for me, don't know what I need. Don't doubt me, babe, you make me wanna change. Break my bed to make me wanna stay. I can't vibe me, babe, you make me love the pain.
Look at this pipe, guys. It really looks weird, see? It looks like a joystick. Yep, pretty weird.